1. The Star Chase System.
Coming up on McDonald Road.
The May 22, 2020 incident in Clayton County, Georgia, might have ended differently with today's smartest motorcycle pursuit technology. After a Suzuki GSX-R 1000 rider fled at 80 miles per hour in a 55 zone, officers engaged in a dangerous nighttime chase that ultimately ended with a flat tire and a temporarily escaped suspect, who was later identified as 23-year-old Devin Pate. The most effective modern solution is the Star Chase system, which is a compressed air launcher mounted on police vehicles that fires a GPS tracking device that adheres to the fleeing vehicle. Once attached, dispatchers can track the motorcycle's exact location, allowing patrol units to back off completely. With real-time tracking, officers can coordinate ahead of the suspect rather than behind them. They can predict the rider's destination and set up controlled stopping points, or simply track the motorcycle to its final destination and approach the suspect after they've parked and removed protective gear. This technology has shown an 85% success rate in apprehensions, while virtually eliminating the dangers of high-speed pursuit.